Hey guys, so I just got my August Fab bag. It's a pretty pink and blue bag this time with half and half. And yeah, I think I got it like pretty early. The bag is like pretty good and good for travel as usual. And let's open and see what all do we have in here. The first product is the Sugar Eyeshadow quad. Now I had an option to pick one sugar item of my choice from the different sugar makeup options available, and I picked this eyeshadow quad in Promiscuous. I think I have most of the sugar products, and I think I did have this, so I picked this one, and it has nice purpley tones, and that is priced at $6.99. The next product we have here is the MondSub forehead collagen mask. Now MondSub has different masks: lip collagen mask, face collagen mask. This is the forehead collagen mask. Next product we have in here is the Fuschia by We Care, a pomegranate pearl face and body scrub. Now this particular thing had a little twig and a hair kind of thing inside. I was a little shocked, but I contacted Fab Bag and Fuschia and they promised to give me a replacement. So yeah, I informed them about this particular product because it was double sealed, as you saw. Even the outer carton was double sealed, so it was not Fab Bag's fault obviously. And the final product is the BioBloom face moisturizer. This looks interesting, and both Fuschia and BioBloom products are like paraben and sulfate and all free. And this is the final card. The total value of all the products in this month's Fab Bag comes to around rupees 1300. Honestly, I only like the eyeshadow quad this time, and yeah, the fact that you can pick one sugar product of your choice. There were even BB creams and other sugar options. So this is the quick unboxing of the August Fab Bag. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.